हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज का टॉपिक है बेसिक्स ऑफ डायस इलेक्ट्रो एनीमिया, जिसको हम इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल इम्बैलेंस भी बोलते हैं। तो अब हम पढ़ेंगे डेफिनेशंस। तो एन इलेक्ट्रोलाइट डिसऑर्डर इज ए इम्बैलेंस ऑफ सर्टेन आयोनाइज्ड सॉल्ट, जैसे बाइकार्बोनेट, कैल्शियम क्लोराइड, मैग्नीशियम, फास्फेट, पोटेशियम एंड सोडियम इन द ब्लड। Electrolytes. Electrolytes are ionized molecules found throughout the blood, tissue, and cells of body. Cations and anions. Cations are positive charge and anions have negative charge. In the next slide, we learn about general function of electrolytes, in which help to balance pH and acid-base level in the body, facilitate the passage of fluid between and within cells through osmosis, and play part in regulating the function of neuromuscular, endocrine and excretory system. In this slide, we learn about specific electrolyte function. Sodium Na help to balance fluid level in the body and facilitate neuromuscular functioning. Next is potassium, main component of cellular fluid and help to regulate neuromuscular function and osmotic pressure. Next electrolyte is calcium, which affect neuromuscular performance and contribute to skeleton growth and blood coagulation. Magnesium influence muscles contraction and intracellular activity. Next is chloride, regulate blood pressure. Phosphate impact metabolic and regulate acid base balance and calcium level, and bicarbonate, which assist in the regulation of blood pH level. In this slide, we learn about normal level of electrolyte, in which sodium is 135 to 145 milliequivalent per liter, potassium is 3.5 to 5.5 milliequivalent per liter, calcium is 8.8 to 10.4 mg per dl, magnesium is 1.4 to 2.1 milliequivalent per liter, chloride is 100 to 108 milliequivalent per liter, and potassium is 2.5 to 4.5 milligram per dl. We learn about in this slide about sodium disorder. So first is hypernatremia, in which serum sodium greater than 145 milliequivalent per liter. Indicate water intake, increased sodium intake, excessive free water loss, extrarenal burnt, sweating, and tachypnea. Renal, central diabetes insipidus, nephrogenic diabetes insipidus, and craniopharyngioma and post-operative. In this slide, we learn about symptom of hypernatremia, in which many symptoms are seen in this slide, like restlessness, irritability, muscular twitching, hyperflexia, dyspepsia, seizures, hypotonic loss, tachycardia, hypotension, decreased JVP, etc. Next disorder is hyponatremia, in which serum sodium less than 135 milliequivalent per liter. Up to 1% of all hospitalized patients develop hyponatremia, making it one of the most common electrolyte disorder. Hyponatremia usually reflects excess water retention relative to sodium rather than sodium deficiency. The clinician should be worried about hyponatremia, since mismanagement can result in neurological catastrophes from cerebrum osmotic demyelination. Symptoms of hyponatremia, which include nausea, abdominal cramping, headache, edema, muscle weakness, paralysis, disorientation, slow breathing, seizures, and coma. Formula for correction: sodium defect is equal to total body water into desired serum sodium minus actual serum sodium. Next disorder is hyperkalemia, in which serum potassium greater than 5.5 milliequivalent per liter. Signs and symptoms include fatigue, weakness, tingling, paralysis, palpitation, and difficulty breathing. Next disease is hypokalemia, in which serum potassium less than 3.5 milliequivalent per liter. Increased potassium was extrarenal diarrhea, renal TAR, polycystitis kidney drugs. Endocrine decrease, strong malnutrition, shift into intracellular compartment. Alkalosis and hyperinsulinemia is the symptom of hypokalemia. Formula for correction of potassium in which require potassium ion in millimoles is equal to 0.3 into weight into desired potassium level minus measure potassium level. Difficult correct over 24-hour period. Next disease is hypercalcemia in which serum calcium greater than 12 mg per dl. A sign and symptom of hypercalcemia is parathyroid excess, multiple myeloma, vitamin D excess, sarcoidosis, subcutaneous fat necrosis, Williams syndrome, thyrotoxicosis, and prolonged immunization. Next disease is hypocalcemia in which serum calcium less than 8 mg per dl. And sign and symptom of hypokalemia is vitamin D deficiency, malabsorption, abdominal abnormal metabolism, prolonged phenytoin, increased losses, idiopathic hypercalcuria, renal tubular necrosis, furosemide therapy, and hypomagnesium and hyperphosphatemia. And metabolic causes hyperparathyroidism, pseudo-hyperparathyroidism, hypoproteinemia, and acute pancreatitis. Next disease is hypermagnesiemia, in which magnesium level is hyper. So, sign and symptom of hypermagnesiemia is end-stage renal disorder, addiction disease, or overdose of magnesium salt. And lethargy, hypotension, decreased heart respiratory rate, muscle weakness, and damaged tendon flex, 6 of the hypermagnesium symptom. Next is hypomagnesium, in which magnesium level is less. So, sign and symptom is adequate dietary intake, chlorine alcoholism, malnutrition, malabsorption syndromes, pancreatitis, aldosteronism, burn, hyperparathyroidism, digestive system disorder, and diuretic uses are involved. Sign and symptom: leg and foot cramp, weight loss, vomiting, muscle spasm, seizures, muscle weakness, arrhythmia.